Imagine a city, not of concrete and steel, but of living, breathing green. Have you ever wondered about the importance of green roofs and living walls? These vibrant installations are not only pleasing to the eye, but they also serve a crucial role in enhancing urban ecosystems. They act as natural air filters, scrubbing pollutants from the air we breathe. Plus, they significantly reduce the urban heat island effect, a phenomenon where city areas are noticeably warmer than surrounding rural areas. By covering our buildings with plants, we're creating habitats for a variety of wildlife, encouraging biodiversity right in the heart of our cities. And if that weren't enough, these green roofs and living walls can also be used for urban farming, providing fresh produce in places where it's often hard to come by. Green roofs and living walls aren't just for show, they're a crucial adaptation to urban living. But what exactly are green roofs and living walls, you may ask? Imagine a layer of flourishing vegetation atop buildings. That's a green roof for you. Now visualize vertical surfaces teeming with plants, sprouting either from a structure attached to the wall or from pots neatly arranged on shelves. That's a living wall. These are not just visually appealing, but also serve as nature's little soldiers, combating urban heat and air pollution. Green roofs and living walls are not just a trend, they are a sustainable solution for future urban planning. So how can you contribute to this green movement? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Start by exploring the potential of your own spaces. Could your home or workplace host a green roof or a living wall? Consult with local green roof professionals and research suitable local plants. It's important to consider factors such as the strength of your building structure and maintenance requirements. Remember, every plant added to a roof or wall brings us one step closer to a greener, healthier urban environment. Together, we can transform our cities into living, breathing ecosystems. Green roofs and living walls make a significant difference, offering numerous benefits. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into creating a sustainable future. Together, we can make a difference.